Behold, this is the elevator at the Delaware condominium here in Ocean City, Maryland. It's a Delaware elevator with GL Jet Plus fixtures. Here it comes. Those lanterns, they are completely useless. Go to 3. Door was button wigs. Let's go look out the view from there. There's your pool area. There's the pool area there. And over there is the inlet itself. See right. See right. And then there's Aztec House. That's where I used to film this elevator at. Yes. I filmed this elevator before. Without further ado, oopsie. Okay, let's be careful. Oh, there's your mechanical room. That's for fixing elevators, yeah? Because I know it's a Delaware elevator, you know? And it's hydraulic as well. I don't know what's going on with these lanterns. And it's leveling. Gee. There we get our cab view. This is a nice cab. I sure like this cab. Certificates here. Emergency phone button. Capacity 700 pounds. 1. And Gucci. Let's watch the button go out. Nope. Those say Delaware in there. Switch your clothes. And that's it. Thanks for watching, everybody. I hope you enjoyed. If you want to subscribe, click on this tab. For more videos, click either one of them.